All right, the last cut's going to be a beam cut or a column cut. It's going to be a four-sided cut where essentially you're going to need no finish on this as well. There's only going to be two 45s together. Goes hand in hand with the CB60 clip. These are used to wrap columns. And you can find the rest of the information on the CB60s at GrabberPro.com. You can find all the information on there. And there's your column wrap. All right, this is the column cut for I-beams that's already been cut 4 different times. It's been glued on this side. It's ready to go on a column. All you have to do is wrap it, but you don't have to do any framing because of this specialty clip that Grabber has. It's the CB60. It is genuine. It is super simple. It has all the UL listings, UL ratings that are needed. And it makes it very, very simple. Literally, you're going to take these. You're going to take these and put them on your I-beam. And literally, once you clip them to your I-beam, the flat side you're screwing to, okay? You're going to put them down the beam, depending on what the height of it is, however many that you need to get the framing done. But there's no metal, there's no squares, there's no anything needed.